This is Mosha coming to you from Moshas Reggae Lounge, and I have two beautiful people and this beautiful young lady. What is your name?
Jordana.
Jordana. Jordana just had my brown stew chicken. And what was your response? What did you say?
It is phenomenal.
And I said to her, I need her to say this on video for you guys to hear that it is real.
Very good.
You love the food, huh?
It's absolutely
I gave her a lot of
delicious.
food, and look, she said she wasn't in the mood to eat a lot, and look at the plate. It's literally gone. And you, my brother, you had the jerk chicken, right?
Yes, sir.
How was it?
Excellent.
Excellent. What's your name?
Josh.
Josh and Jordana, they had my food from a catering that I did last year, and they found me. And I'm pleased that they did, and I'm happy. They are so excited about the food. Thank you, Jordana. Thank you, Josh. Look at the bone. So, guys, you know that most Reggae Lounge don't play. And listen, I'm going to say this. I am a herbalist, and I cook my food with the same training in mind. I don't cook conventional food, even though it's Jamaican food. I put stuff in the food that you will feel a difference. Trust me. So when you come here, I don't cook with money in mind. I cook with you in mind. Mosha Reggae Lounge, Mosha out. Remember, always say good things about people. Don't say anything bad, because it's gonna come right back at you. And the world is like a mirror, and it reflects what you do. If you face it smiling, it smiles back at you. Boom shot.